Fiber optic networks demand precision cleaning. Contaminants such as dust, oils, and microscopic debris can interfere with fiber optic networks, degrading signal quality, increasing latency, and even causing failures, requiring costly callbacks for rework. Stay tuned for how to use the Sticklers MPO CleanClicker 600 as your go-to tool for quick, high-performance cleaning of fiber optic connectors. When it comes to cleaning multi-fiber connectors and high-density networks, speed, precision, and reliability matter. Choose the Sticklers MPO CleanClicker 600, the keyless, high-performance fiber optic connector cleaner designed for today's fiber optic cleaning jobs. With 600+ cleanings per tool, this rugged cleaner delivers the lowest cost per clean in the industry. Perfect for data centers, telco central offices, and cable TV head ends. The Sticklers MPO CleanClicker 600 is engineered to clean all MPO and MT connectors that comply with IEC 61754-7 and TIA 604-5 Focus 5 standards, ensuring reliable performance across all standard fiber optic interfaces. The keyless tip allows up or down insertion, giving you unmatched flexibility. Need to clean in tight spaces or low clearance racks? Just remove the orientation key and clean inverted. It's that easy. It handles both male and female MPO, MPO16, and MTP connectors. Use it on flat polished multi-mode and angled single-mode connectors in adapters, cassettes, and trunk assemblies. The translucent housing gives you a clear view of the cleaning ribbon, so you're never caught off guard in the field. Need to clean hardened connectors like the CommScope HMFOC or Corning OptiTip? Just add the Sticklers MPO adapter set for one-way insertion and perfect alignment. For stubborn oils or heavy contamination, pair your MPO CleanClicker 600 with Sticklers Fiber Optic Connector Cleaning Fluid and Sticklers Clean Wipes for a reliable wet-to-dry clean. Lightly moisten a clean wipe with the Sticklers Cleaning Fluid. Gently touch the MPO CleanClicker 600 to the moistened wipe. Insert the CleanClicker into the connector and push to click. The result? A clean, residue-free end face ready for peak performance. Remember to always clean both ends of a fiber optic connector pair to prevent contamination transfer. Even if only one end appears dirty, debris or oils can transfer when the connectors are mated, causing back reflection, absorption loss, insertion loss, or even permanent damage. To keep your fiber optic network running at peak performance, trust the Sticklers MPO CleanClicker 600 for fast, effective cleaning every time. Visit sticklerscleaners.com to discover the complete lineup of fiber cleaning tools, including the Sticklers Pro 360 Touchless Cleaner, your go-to solution for fast, consistent cleaning in high-volume, high-density fiber environments. Find everything you need for better fiber optic cleaning at sticklerscleaners.com.